Tina Balducci here. In honor of Ghosts of Thornton Hall, I'll show you how to make a sweet peach tea because I totally know how to do this. Okay, so I lied. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just following a recipe I found in the group, Facebook group. First, we need to open this can of peaches and, oh, it's in French. And it has to be in juice. After that, you have to empty it from its liquid. I'm saying this because this is not apparently not something everybody knows. After that, you have to pour it all in the blender, just like that. Like that. Now that they are all in the blender, you have just to press any button, just any button. After that, you have to pour 1 quart of water and boil it. Not gonna do that with one hand. Okay, how do I... Is it boiling? I think it's boiling. I'm not sure. Is this... Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It's boiling. Okay, so I have 5 or 6 Lipton bags. This is just regular tea bags with some tea in it. What you want to do is just grab those bags and just put them all in. Just put them all in and just leave it like that for 3 to 5 minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna be making our what is it? What am I supposed to make? Syrup. Yes, syrup. So you're gonna be combining 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar. Just open the fire. We cannot forget to open the fire. This is gonna take a while since I have to wait until it boils a bit. Okay, so I was supposed to remove the tea bags, but I just put them all in and I have no way to get them back, so I guess I'll be drinking tea bags tonight. I have to stir it time to time. There you go, it's boiling a bit. See the sugar? I have to stir it until it's all dissolved. Once it is all dissolved, close the fire and just transfer it and let it cool down a bit. Okay, so now you're supposed to be pouring the syrup inside of the pot of tea. There you go. I will be stirring it with this because I don't know how else I'm supposed to stir. There you go. There you go. I just realized we don't have a heat safe pitcher, so I'll be using this instead. Now you have to pour the peaches into the tea. After that, you pour 1 quart of cold water inside. By the way, this is optional. Then you put it in the refrigerator for a while. If I can manage to do that. Just let it cool down for a while. It looks ready. Kind of. What the? What is? Ew. Here you go, guys. This is how you make a sweet peach tea. This video isn't sponsored by Tim Hortons, by the way. If you wanna know how to make this recipe, I'll put a link in the description box down below.